Hi, let's take a look at how to solve a system with matrices. You want to distinguish between systems that consist of two equations in two variables and possibly systems that consist of three equations in three variables. You're very familiar with linear systems in two variables, so let's take a look at that first. There are three distinct options when it comes to your number of solutions. You can have one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. That is more of a review for you. So just make sure you recall what consistent independent systems look like versus consistent dependent, and finally inconsistent systems. In the middle, you have the inconsistent system where the lines will run parallel, which means they will never meet and therefore produce no solution. That would be the one in the middle. On the right, you have infinitely many solutions, and that is a consistent that is dependent. So review that concept to then make a decision on how you want to solve your system. You have several options. You can solve by graphing, you can solve by substitution, or you can solve by elimination. Now, what if you have three equations and three variables? What will it look like? Take a look at the video to better understand what systems in three variables look like. And of course, you would want to know how to solve them. That is when matrices come into play.
Okay, today we'll look at matrices.
So check out the explanations that are provided for the Gaussian elimination.
Now this topic.
And finally, also take a look at how to solve any linear systems, which is kind of nice to know, meaning even if you have the simple system of two equations in two variables, you can use this approach of the inverse matrix to find your solution to the system. Have fun exploring.